Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video for Business Central for accounting. Today I'm going to show you how to create cost types in Business Central. Essentially, there are three ways that we can do that on the platform. So let's go ahead and do the first one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for cost types. And I'm going to open the list of chart of cost types. And so as you can see right now, I have nothing in this window to show you when it comes to cost types, but there is one very simple and instant way of getting a list of your cost types, and that is if you do the get cost types from your chart of accounts. Because any cost types, I mean, it's going to take whether it is your income statement, your GL account, it is going to draw from your existing information unless you are creating a new one, obviously. But if you want a quick way to have a list of your cost types, you can click on the Get Cost Types from the Chart of Accounts option, which I just did. And as you can see here, what it will do is it will transfer all your income statement accounts from the chart of accounts to the chart of cost types. So if we click on yes, you will see it has completed, it has copied a total of 171 income statements into the cost types. And there we have all of the different cost types. Now, if I open one of them, you can see here it has a GL account range, which again it is mirroring from the chart of accounts that you already have in your Business Central platform. So that's very quick and easy if you want a list of all your cost types. Again, as I mentioned, if you wanted to create a new one, you can click on the new up here, and then you will have to manually enter all of your information here. And as you can see, the type has already been set to cost type. It's mandatory that you have the number here. And you will also see that we've got all of the other details that you can add manually here. Now, one final way that you can do so, and which is again very easy, is you go into your cost accounting setup. And once you open this here, you will see we've got the three type of alignment. So the align GL account, the cost center dimension, and the cost object dimension. Right now it is set at no alignment, but let's just say I change the first one. Let's say I put in automatic. Now, what this will do is every time I go into my chart of account and I create a new income statement, for instance, or an expense account, it is going to automatically create a cost type account for me. So let's go ahead and try this. So we are going to open the chart of accounts and we are going to create a new one. Let's say we are going to say that it is travel expenses. So you can see here it's already been added into the income statement. The account category, you can put it here, expense or income. And then we've got the account type, the debit, and so on. So once you've done all of that, you can save it. And so what I'll do is I'll now go to check if it has created the cost type. And as you can see here, we already have a small notification that is telling us that it has already updated it in the cost accounting. So if we open the cost type list, what we are going to see here, so as you can see on the first one, it's got travel expenses. So it has already added it automatically here because I put the automatic option when it came to cost accounting setup. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.